The first is, I want to say to someone not to disclose the wedding plans. Please don't disclose or please don't reveal the wedding plans. Please don't let out the secret. Keep it a secret. The same in advanced would be, please do not let the cat out of the bag. Okay. The other ways of saying this advanced phrases, please keep it guarded, please keep it confidential, please keep it sealed, please be tight-lipped on this matter, please do keep the lid on, please sweep it under the carpet, hush up the matter, don't breathe a word of it, please keep the matter concealed. These are other ways of saying not to disclose or keep it as a secret. The second basic sentence is, the firm is helpless and may soon going to be bankrupt. The same in advanced is, the firm has its back against the wall and may soon be bankrupt. Be back against the wall means being incapable or helpless. The other ways of saying the same sentence would be, the firm is incapable, it is powerless, it is defenseless, it is feeble, it is vulnerable, it is open to attack and going to be bankrupt. The third is, someone is to be blamed or criticized. The basic is, the employee who was blamed or criticized was an experienced official. Same in advanced is, the employee in the firing line was an experienced official. Okay. In the firing line refers to blamed or criticized. The other advanced phrases for the same idiom are, held accountable. The employee held accountable was an experienced official. The employee was held responsible. The employee held liable was an experienced official. The employee inculpated was an experienced official. The employee condemned of wrongdoing was an experienced official. Thank you.